Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm beauty expert Jane. We cover anything from product reviews, makeup tutorials, and behind the scenes vlogging with my husband. In this video, I'm going to review my new sunglasses from Hip Optical. Hip Optical offers affordable, fashionable, and comfortable glasses for everyone. And you can feel good about purchasing one. Every pair you purchase, they'll donate one to someone in need. Now, if you're looking for prescription glasses, they will make and ship your product within 1 week. Alright, so already I am in love with the packaging. It comes with a beautiful magnetic casing and a cleaning cloth. Ooh, so the first pair I will be reviewing is the Armstrong glasses in the style comical. That is fun. So as you can see, it has a tortoise frame, and I love the multicolored and a little bit of the gold on the side. And this is great. You can dress them up or down, and they're very versatile and very comfortable. And if you look at the detailing, it's also very stretchy here. So again, whether you have a wider face or narrow, this will work for most face shapes. The next style I'm going to check out is the Turner glasses in Half Moon. Already I'm loving this style. Ooh, and they feel really snug and comfortable. So as you can see with this style, half is black, half is this beautiful clear white rim, and you can really play this up with a nice fancy outfit or just a chill walk in the park or just hanging out with your friends. Especially if you're living here in Las Vegas, you will never leave the house without a pair. Hip Optical offers affordable, fashionable, and comfortable eyeglass wear. You can feel good about purchasing them because any pair you purchase, they'll give one back to someone in need. And the coolest part about this company is they offer sunglasses, prescription glasses, and fun frames just to spice up your style. And I have a promo code for you guys, $10 off any purchase. So make sure you check out the website, and I promise you'll fall in love with at least one style. I'll make sure in the description box down below to leave the link and the promo code so you guys can check out their website. Hip Optical offers so many styles, so make sure to check out their website and drop a comment down below on what styles you love the most. And again, I'm beauty expert Jane. We'll see you in the next video.